at the end of this little wooden pathway, there's actually another access to the beach down here on the farther side. And then just on the other side of that is just big rocks. So what I'm gonna do right now is I am gonna go up this little trail. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm on this little peninsula here. There's also another one up there, and just right in front of me is the actual on the lower beach. It's quite windy, but it's not as windy as the Dragon's Teeth from yesterday, and the water is a lot calmer than on the other side. So Dragon's Teeth is actually right there, which is like a big difference as far as the wind factor goes. So let's keep going and see what else we can see. I made it to the little peninsula. I was gonna go off path, but there are signs saying that this is a bird's nesting area, so I gotta respect that sign. Don't want to be stepping on bird's nest or something, so we'll just stay on path. Nice, there's a little tide pool area here. Water is clear, you can see on the bottom. The water is calm as a lake. Nice view so far. It's beautiful out here. I think this is the end of the trail, and there's a little, I don't know what that is, cliffhouse at that end. I'm wondering if everyone or anyone is cliff diving. Let's go check it out. So people are cliff diving here. Looks pretty nice and clear. Looks like it's deep enough, so I might give it a shot. Nice. Alright, I'm here anyway, so might as well jump. Scared of heights, but what the hell. Here we go. You have that distance?
Oh, right here is perfect, right here, right here. Okay, it's recording.
Alright, here we go. This is about 10 feet.
15 feet.
Ish. Here we go, here goes nothing.
Geronimo.
That jump wasn't as bad as I thought. considering scared of heights. So I might do it again. Alright, here we go. Good job. There you go. I finally did it. Cliff diving. They're probably looking for me right now. So let me head back. So I did it. Cliff diving. Scared of heights, but I did it. So I was like, what the heck? I'm just gonna jump. It's nice and refreshing though once you hit the water. So there was quite a few people jumping off, younger guys, and people snorkeling down at the bottom. Nice clear water, but right now they're calling me to go back, so I am headed back. They're probably getting impatient. I will see you guys later. If you guys have not subscribed, please do. Sorry, it's kind of hot. Please do give this video a thumbs up, follow our adventures. I will see you guys on the next one. See you guys later.